Parallel World Pharmacy is a fun escapist Isekai manga. The Parallel World Pharmacy manga is an adaptation of an original light novel series. The story starts out with Kanji Yakotani, a preferred medical researcher who keeps himself instantly busy with work, and who is haunted that nothing could be done to save his younger sister from dying from a brain tumor. Yakotani works so hard. In fact, he works himself to death in his 30s. He awakens as a 10-year-old boy named Pharma, living in the medieval SQ fantasy world. The boy Pharma has been struck by lightning, and somehow this seems to have rushed Yakotani's spirit in the boy's body. It's not really clear if it's reincarnation or possession, but at any rate, he's Pharma now. The medieval Thai world is something of a hodgepodge of European history, a medieval period, early modern period, along with having magical made-up stuff. They practice their own polytheistic religion, and Pharma soon discovers he has magical powers. At the same time, he's a scientist at heart. It is crazy for him to watch superstition get used in the place of medical knowledge. He decides he's going to have to start making his own pharmaceutical drugs in this world as well. Pharma has a busty private tutor, a happy and helpful maid named Charlotte, and a new little sister. While the majority in the manga is serious, it's not grim and he has that nice escapist feel to it. It also has moments of humor which the artist does a good job of expressing. They are some moderately sexy scenes I may aim for more of for a male audience. The artwork is clean, smooth, and fits the story well. Yakotani, or Pharma, is a good main character because he is smart and wants to help others. It bothers him when something is unfair, like when some people are able to access medical treatment because they're not his team but their society. Parallel World Pharmacy has also been turned into an anime, so any fans of the anime out to have fun checking out the manga. It is also a solid work for fans of Escapist, fantasy, and medieval SQ stories. The first volume of the Parallel World Pharmacy manga will be available for One Piece Books on May 30.